Stay in it, second. Stay in it, third. Stay in it, fourth. Alright guys, today is the day. We are headed to
the dyno.
We're going to find out how much horsepower we make with full bolt-ons on our high mileage Miata back there. It has been a month or so that we've been working on everything. And what happens in 2 weeks, Kat?
We're going to Sebring.
So, not only are we going to have dyno numbers to show how much horsepower we gain, but we were going to have seat time to determine how much more time we can shave off of our lap times and progress towards our goal of TT. So, I'm not going to tell you our guesses till we get there. We're on our way, so follow along. Where we at, Kat?
The dyno.
We made it. They're hooking her up. What's your guess, Kat?
I said 145.
That was originally my guess, so I'm gonna say 150 because we're being hopeful. We did 131 last time. What's Sergio's take? Full bolt-ons. Let's be real.
142, 143, 145.
Rude. 148. Listen, I'll be realistic. 148.
Listen, the butt dyno is always greater than the real dyno, right? So when
But
you put
butt
it on,
dyno's in 2 weeks, so we're gonna find out. Follow along here. First order of business, they gotta set the timing. Come here, Kat.
Oh,
too much. Go back. There you go. Right there, right there, right there. You're perfect.
Yeah.